bacterial vectors for the transfection of animal cells. Initially, when we started our discussion on the gene transfer to animal cells, we discussed different techniques, and one of the technique was also related to Bacterial, where bacterial vectors that contained recombinant plasmids, they can be used to transfect animal cells. If you remember the example of Agrobacterium tumefaciens that is used to transform plant cells, then the same strategy that is mainly mediated by Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it can also be used for animal cells transformation. And the evidence that was provided related to this transformation was around in late 1990s. And now we have a growing evidence that Agrobacterium tumefaciens, in addition to plants, it has also been used to transfect animal cells. So although in case of Agrobacterium plant interaction, human intervention mainly it is not required, but when we will use Agrobacterium tumefaciens for the transfection of animal cells, we have to manage the conditions. ये सिर्फ एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ही नहीं है, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया हैं जो कि एनिमल सेल लाइन को ट्रांसफेक्ट करने के लिए यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं. तो इसमें जो नेचुरल एबिलिटी है कुछ पैथोजेनिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स की, अगर हम उनकी ये एबिलिटी ख़त्म करवा दें कि वो पैथोजेंस ना रहें, तो उनमें ये एक नेचुरल एबिलिटी होती है कि वो एनिमल टिश्यूज़ को या ह्यूमन टिश्यूज़ को वो नेचुरली इन्वेड करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर इन्वेशन देन the lysis can be carried out so that their DNA can be inserted into animal cells. And here a few examples we can quote here, like the Salmonella. Then we also have the examples of Listeria and Shigella flexineri. So these are a few examples of the microbes or bacteria that can invade the animal tissues, and after fusion with the cell membrane they can insert their DNA. For example, here it may be recombinant DNA into the host nuclear genome. जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि इसमें कुछ बायोसेफ्टी के इश्यूज जो हैं वो हो सकते हैं, एंड इन दिस केस we have to consider that whether we are able to attenuate such pathogenic bacterial vectors. Attenuation is a condition where the virulence or pathogenicity of the bacterium it is removed or eliminated altogether. जैसे कि हम इसको अगर डिफाइन करें कि अटेन्यूएशन एक ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें हम अगर कोई पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया हैं तो इसको हम नॉन पैथोजेनिक बना सकते हैं, और उसके बाद हम इसमें अपना रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इंट्रोड्यूस करके तो एनिमल सेल लाइंस को ट्रांसफेक्ट करवा सकते हैं. नो वैरायटी ऑफ मेथड्स आर अवेलेबल फॉर बैक्टीरियल attenuation, and one of the example it is to use auxotrophic forms of bacteria. Auxotrophic are those microbes that lacks the ability to synthesize certain compounds like amino acids, nucleotides, or other chemicals in vivo. Such attenuated forms can be used, and even for some cases like Listeria, such type of auxotrophs they are not available, and sometime genes can be introduced that can cause the autolysis of the cells. कि जब हमने ट्रांसफेक्शन की उसमें ऐसी जीन है कि ट्रांसफेक्शन जब होती है तो सेल्स ऑटोमेटिकली डिग्रेड कर जाता है, लाइज कर जाता है, तो वो एनिमल सेल की मेम्ब्रेन के साथ फ्यूज़ करती हैं और डीएनए डिलीवर हो जाता है. सो नाउ द बैक्टीरियल मीडिएटेड transformation has been used as a routine method to deliver gene of interest into animal cell lines.